So I've been seeing this equation pop up, and just kind of want to go over a couple of things here. So there's this thing called the transitive property, but this is the equation that I saw earlier. People were given a bunch of different answers from like 16, 1, 4, 2, like they were all over the place. So I wanted to explain this in a simple way using the transitive property. The transitive property works whether it's an equation, whether it's a value, whatever. And basically what it says is if A is equal to B and B is equal to C, then A and C are equal. So you can use that with an equation by saying something like 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, 2 squared is equal, and 2 squared is equal to 4. So therefore, 2 squared is also equal to 2 times 2, or 2 plus 2. So you can use that to kind of check yourself in a multitude of different formats. The order of operations is PEDMOS, so parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Okay, so you're gonna use this in all of the forms, this basic operation. So this equation here is the same as saying 8 divided by 2 times 2 plus 2, or saying 8 divided by 2 times 2 plus 2 times 2, or 8 divided by 2 times the sum of these two integers, which is 4, or 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. And you can see that, sorry, I've got a thing going off in my, God damn it. But you can see it's equal to 1. Now, this is the equation can also be rewritten a multitude of ways as A times B of X, or A divided by B times N plus N, or your constants of integration, however you want to phrase it, or A over B of X, or A over B times N plus N. So you can see here, even though this is written in the bottom, this has to be done first. Your parentheses are done first. Then your, like we're down here in this with your exponent would be done next, just like in PEDMOS. Okay, then you're going to do your multiplication. Same thing here. You're going to multiply these two, just like in PEDMOS, or PEMDAS. Then you're going to do your division, which is your next, and then any addition and subtraction. But since your addition and subtraction are inside of your parentheses, those get done first. So you can see if you just simply rewrite this, it'll help you with understanding how the order of operations actually works. And even if we were here, like we could add on to this plus C, which is the constant of integration, minus N, which can be any numerical value. Now, if N is the same on the inside as it is on the outside, you can see how you would do the parentheses, the addition, and inside the parentheses, your PEMDAS is exactly the same. You do the same order on the inside. Then you would add, because you don't have any multiplication, division, or anything there. Then you would step out to the outside, you'd do your exponents, then you would do your multiplication, then you would do your division, then you would do your addition, and then you would subtract. And this is why the order of operations moves from left to right, same as it does up here, from left to right. So if you look, parentheses, you're doing those. You're stepping out, you're doing your multiplication here because you don't actually have an exponent. Then you're doing your division. That's the very last thing that you're doing. If you simply rewrite it, you'll always know that you're doing doing it the correct way.